What's up, YouTube? Mo Views back again. Checking in with y'all. Kinda in a rush, so I'm gonna talk to y'all and back out this parking garage at the same time. Excuse the beeping. Hold on 1 second. Alright, so today we going to Cars and Coffee, y'all. See some crazy cars. All the way from Lambos to old schools. Hopefully we see some good get some footage today. Some burnouts and some crazy shit. But my friends downstairs in the building. Going to link up with them. And yeah, I see y'all. Let's get it. Say what's up, Trey.
What's poppin'? Slack?
Slack. That motherfucker there. And Duran.
It's good.
That's good. Let's go show him that car. Oh. Mr. Camaro. This shit is so fire. This shit clean as fuck. Yeah. Hey, you should get a picture of this shit, a fire picture. Hey, that shit crazy. It's like two different colors on that motherfucker.
That's hard, bro.
It's like 2 different colors on that motherfucker.
That's hard.
That shit fire.
That's hard. That's hard.
I like that.
Holy.
Rev it up, you heard me?
Rev it up, you heard me?
Oh yeah.
On the way here, they had to fill up their tanks with FLY BYS. Bro, I've been dead in this shit for like the past 7 years.
That's
Spinning with XRT.
This is one turbo I was talking about, right?
Helps it stick.
The big motherfuckers, that's crazy. What's up, man? This is so sick. Oh! Oh, he got him. Now he made it good for us, so he going. Look at that vet. That shit clean as hell.
Hey, let's go record that.
Oh, they getting cranky now. The police should have been caught somebody. That shit was so sick. That shit sound broke. Coyote just... A Mazda truck? That's a... Oh!
That's my shit. That's an SS.
Yeah. That's Anytime I see a Charger or a Challenger, I know they're about to do some crazy shit. Oh shit!
Who fucked that Scatty up?
No!
He mowed the
Damn.
lawn. Lawnmower!
Damn!
Yeah,
Hey, you got the video, right?
kick that, bro.
Oh shit!
He might have ran.
Oh, he ran?
Decided to do YouTube. I'm not the nigga
Ah,
that's
shit. put it back up to the crib. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And man, I got so much more videos. Let me know what you guys want to see. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Peace.